So Bali Maharaj, a similar situation, he wants to offer everything to Krishna. Bali Maharaj भगवान को सब कुछ देना चाहते हैं, लेकिन इधर एक चीज अच्छी देखी कि उनकी बीवी बहुत खुश थी. ये अनयूजुअल है, बहुत अनयूजुअल है. जब ये पुस्तक वितरण में जाते हैं और हस्बैंड को पूछते हैं किताब चाहिए, बीवी हमेशा पूछती. She doesn't want. Wife generally does not encourage the husband to surrender to the Lord. Very unusual. Vidyavali is also quite unusual. बाली महाराज भी अद्भुत तो हैं, सब कुछ भगवान के सामने रख दिया है, लेकिन एक्सपेक्टेड था कि वाइफ को गुस्सा आएगा. Expected that the wife will become upset. When Bali Maharaj is offering everything to the Lord, wife should have obstructed. No, what is all this? What gone crazy or what? But not only he was great, Bali Maharaj made his wife also. His wife was, which way to understand? She was real wife. Wife means she should assist the husband in service to Krishna. असली बीवी मतलब वो हस्बैंड को भगवान की सेवा में मदद करती है, उसका असली. देयरफॉर अर्धांगिनी. अर्धांगिनी इंद्रिय भोग के लिए नहीं है, अर्धांगिनी भगवान की सेवा के लिए है. भगवान की सेवा करना चाहिए. हस्बैंड wants to serve Krishna and she assists. वही गृहस्थ जीवन का असली मूल है. But he is not only fortunate कि he had a great grandfather. बलि महाराज बहुत भाग्यशाली हैं, उनके बहुत बड़े दादाजी थे प्रहलाद महाराज. बट वो इसलिए भी भाग्यशाली है, उनकी बीवी भी बहुत अच्छी, बहुत इंटेलिजेंट है. एक्चुअली when everything is taken away, now Vamandeva will take 2 steps and take everything away, and Bali Maharaj will be arrested. At that time, Brahma will come to pray. And Brahma says to the Lord Vamandeva, what is all this? ये क्या है भगवान? आपको तो एक तुलसी दे के आदमी तृप्त कर सकता है, आपको इतना पूरा संसार दे दिया, अभी भी गुस्सा उस पर. ये तो भगवान अपना गुस्सा थोड़ा छोड़िए. तो Brahma wants to say this, that my Lord, you are happy just as somebody offers you a little tulsi, and here he has offered the whole universe and you are not happy. What's wrong? Today, my Lord, please give up your anger. And he wants to say this, but before he can say this, his wife comes, same Vidyavali, and she scolds the husband. She scolds the husband. Oh, you were thinking you own the whole universe. She scolds. So, even wife of Ravan की बीवी भी बहुत मंदोदरी, बहुत इंटेलिजेंट थी. So Mandodari also many times she tried to advise Ravana. Many times she told Ravana, give it up. Many times. Like a good wife. And when Ravana did not listen, the war happened. Finally, after the war, when he died, Mandodari came and told this there in Bhagavatam, my dear husband, what did you do now? By your deeds, you made your soul fit to go to hell, and your body fit to be beaten by vultures now. What have you done? So it's not that Vedic time a wife pagal thi. They were dasi thi, nahin. They were very intelligent. You see that? She tried to stop him from sinful activity. He continued on the sinful activity. And when he did that, she said, see, what have you done? Because of you, now, your body is now fit to be eaten by vultures and your soul fit to go to hell. What did you do? And I, as a wife, now I'm left unprotected. She speaks this in Bhagavatam. Now, not only me, all other wives, now we are left unprotected. What did you do this? As a husband, it's your duty to give us protection. Now you are left as helpless. So Mandodari was very intelligent. And here Vidyavali, she is also wife of so-called demon. He is also not. He is a great devotee. But she is very intelligent, very intelligent. And this is extraordinary. Husband pura raj dena cha raha hai, the wife should have actually protested. Husband is going to give the whole kingdom. Why should his my dear husband stop this? And she behaved like a divine Devi. And she runs and brings a pot of golden water pot. She could have brought any pot. She searches for a, suppose Krishna comes to your place, you have to bring the golden vessels. You're not going to feed Krishna in steel. And so made of gold, she brought the golden water pot and offered For the husband said, I want to wash his feet now. So she rushed. That is real wife, Ardhangini. She brought the golden water pot. Yes, please do it.